See friends, today's first problem 18.3, 20.6, 16, 22.9, 13.7. See friends, if the problem is like this, if points is given, then the logic is very simple. See friends, if the points are there in the given numbers, definitely there may be a chance for simple logic. And also you just observe the numbers. The difference is very much less. And one time it is increasing and next it is decreasing. That means definitely there may be a chance for addition and subtraction. For this, first we have to find the difference between the numbers. See friends, from the starting onwards, what I am telling you, we just find out the difference between the numbers and we can get the logic behind that given series. See friends, first what he has given 18.3, 20.6, 16, 22.9, 13.7. Then next number is what? See friends, these are not any squares, any cubes. No chance for cubes or squares. And also multiplication. So that I am straight away going for difference. Here what is the difference? 2.3. That means addition plus 2.3. Here what is the difference? 4.6. That is subtraction. Here what is the difference? 6.9. Addition. Here what is the difference? 9.2. Subtraction. Then what will come? Addition will come. See friends. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. That means addition. See friends, you observe this one. Here 2.3 become 4.6, 4.6 become 6.9, 6 become 6.9 become 9.2. That means every time he is adding 2.3. See friends, here it is, he is adding plus 2.3, here plus 2.3, here plus 2.3, then what will come here? 2.3, addition. That means 9.2 plus 2.3, how much? 11.5. That means he is adding. Then what is the answer? 13.7, 11.5. That means 25.2. So answer is 25.2. Answer is this. See friends, no need to afraid by seeing these points. See friends, these are not any cubes or any squares of the numbers. There is no chance at all for those cubes and squares, and also not the multiples also. So straight away I checked for the difference. So I got the difference 2.3, 4.6, 6.9, 9.2. Then I just observed these numbers. Every time he is adding 2.3, 2.3, 2.3. So here 11.5 is there. So 13.7 plus 11.5 is 25.2. So answer is 25.2. No need to afraid friends. You just observe the numbers and take the difference and find the logic. Very simple. See friends, next problem. 9, 5, 6, 10.5, 23-183. See friends, if there are numbers with 0.5 in the given series, definitely there may be a chance for multiplication with 0.5 or 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Like this, into 0.5 plus 0.5, into 1 plus 1, into 1.5 plus 1.5, into 2 plus 2, into 2.5 plus 2.5. Definitely this series may come. Sometimes 0.5 plus 0.5, into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 4 plus 4, like that also will come. That means every time he is multiplying here with 2. Here just he is adding 0.5. These two series definitely will come. See friends, 9, 5, 6, 10.5, 23 dash 183. Go for solution. 9, 5, 6, 10.5, 23 dash 183. See friends, 9 become 5. That means 5 is almost half of the 9. That means is divided 9 by 1 by 2 or by 2. See friends, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So go for multiplication with 0.5. See, half of the 9 how much? 4.5. Then here 5 is there. That means he added 0.5. That means into 0.5 plus 0.5. See friends, here two chances are there. 5 becomes 6. That means either he has added 0.5 or he has to multiply with 1. See friends, here, multiply with 2. Here if you go for multiplication with 2, 1 will come. Here again, go for multiplication with 2, 1 will come. That means into 1 plus 1. See friends, both are equal only here. If you go for multiplying 0.5 with 2, 1 will come. If you go for addition 0.5 with 0.5, 1 will come. Both statements will true. Then 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. See friends, next. See friends, here 1 is there. Here 1 is there. That means 1 into 2, 2. That means into 2. See friends, 6 into 2 how much? 12. Here 10.5 is there. That means 12 is not correct. That means multiplying with 2 is not correct. So this is not correct. Then you just add 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 how much? 1.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5. See friends, 6 into 1.5 how much? 9. Here 1.5 is there. That means 10.5. So answer is 10.5. So this is also correct. Then you just check here. See here 0.5, 1, 1.5. That means every time he is adding 0.5. That means here what will come? Into 2. 1.5 plus 0.5. That means 2. Into 2 plus 2. So 10.5 into 2 how much? 21. Plus 2, 23. Then here what will come friends? 2 in 2 plus 0.5. How much? Into 2.5 plus 2.5. See friends, 23 into 2.5 how much? 23 2s are 46. 23 halves how much? 0.5 means half of the 23. 11.5. That means 57.5 plus 2.5. 0, 1, 0, 1. That means answer is 60. See friends, for understanding purpose only I am explaining this. If you remember this and if you practice number of times this type of problems, straight away we can get the answer here itself. See friends, into 0.5 plus 0.5. Here into 1 plus 1. Here into 1.5 plus 1.5. Because almost half of the number. If you go for 6 into 2, 12. That is more than 10.5. Then you don't go for multiplication with 2. You just 1.5. That means 0.5, 1, 1.5. Then here 2 will come. 2 plus 2. Here 2.5 plus 2.5. Then 23 2s are 46. Half of the 23 how much? 11.5. That means 57.5 plus 2.5. So answer is 60. Nothing is there friends. We have to concentrate and we have to practice number of times. Then easily we will get the answer. See friends, next problem. 188, 156, 140, 132, 128, 126. See friends, if you practice more number of problems, definitely by reading the numbers itself you will get the answer. See friends, what is the difference here? 32. Here what is the difference? 16. Here what is the difference? 8. Here what is the difference? 4. Here what is the difference? 2. Here what is the difference will come? 1. See friends, 32 of 16 of 8, 8 of 4, 4 of 2, 2 of 1. Every time he is subtracting. That means 126 minus 1, how much? 125. Answer is 125. Nothing is there. Very simple. But if you practice number of times, then we will get easily. See friends, these numbers are not any squares or any cubes of the numbers, and also not the multiples of the any numbers, and also sometimes the difference is very much less, then definitely there may be a chance for addition or subtraction. Then just go for the difference. 188, 156, 140, 132, 128, 126. Here what is the difference? 32. Here what is the difference? 16. Here what is the difference? 8. Here what is the difference? 4. Here what is the difference? 2. Then what should come here? Every time he is subtracting. See friends, 32 by 2 how much? 16. 16 by 2 how much? 8. 8 by 2 how much? 4. 4 by 2 how much? 2. 2 by 2 how much? 1. Then 126 minus 1 how much? 125. See friends, if you practice number of times, then easily we will get the logic. If you don't practice it, you won't get the logic. For that only, practice makes man perfect. So go for practice number of times and achieve the good number of marks in the examination.